Hey, what's up guys, this is Varun here back again with another awesome video for you guys. In today's video we are going to talk about the rise of augmented reality, specifically the rise of mobile augmented reality and why you should care about it. With that being said, hit that thumbs up button and let's get started. Before we get started with AR, let's talk about VR and why there is a fundamental problem with VR, and that is the reason why it cannot go mainstream. Virtual reality as we know it has been in the spotlight for decades now, and still there is no mass adoption. And I think the reason is it requires a standalone device, and not many people are willing to invest in a standalone device other than the enthusiasts. Some of the examples of popular standalone devices include Oculus Quest and HTC Vive. And there are some others, but these are some popular names. And this is the reason why VR cannot go mainstream, because it requires people to buy these standalone devices to experience them. Now let's talk about AR. AR does not need any extra device. It can basically run from your smartphone, and every single person owns a smartphone on this planet. They don't need to buy anything extra, making it a mobile reality. The market revenue for VR in 2020 is 30 billion and the market revenue for AR is 90 billion. Here you can imagine the power of mobile augmented reality. Of course, augmented reality can be used by some other devices like wearing glasses or HoloLens, but right now they are not mainstream, and AR is mainly being used using smartphones of people. The best part about AR is you are not constrained by the traditional rules, boundaries or borders of physics. You can create basically your own rules, and although they are not existing in reality, but they are built one layer on top of reality and has the power to reshape your experience of reality. You're able to build a whole new reality on top of your existing reality. It's almost like a superpower. Now let's talk about some cases where AR is used on mobile. One example that I can give you of mass adoption of AR that happened a few years back was of Pokemon Go. When Pokemon Go was launched, people experienced augmented reality for the first time. Basically, what Pokemon Go did was it allowed the whole world to be the playground, and people can walk to different places to catch different Pokemons. You might have seen Snapchat filters, Instagram filters, Facebook filters, and also TikTok. These are the four main social media that are using AR extensively. AR also has a huge potential and also being used currently in education a lot, where you can technically teach how you can dissect an animal without actually having an animal. Like, you can show it in a virtual, in an augmented way, and people can learn exactly what they need to do. And AR is also being extensively used in the retail industry. Of course, there are a lot more use cases than this, but these are some of the few which are easy to understand. With that, we arrive at the end of the video. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will be making more in-depth detailed videos on augmented reality, use cases, tutorials, and how you can get jobs in augmented reality and all of that. So make sure you subscribe and let me know in the comments what are some of the use cases that you have seen of AR. And also share this video with your friends. Until next time, this is Varun signing off. Have a great day.